Namaskar, I am Prakash, astrologer, presenting you weekly forecasts, week commencing 14th of December till 20th of December for 2020. The whole weekly prediction based on Indian Vedic astrology. You can take this prediction according to your moon sign as well as your ascendant, your rising sign, your Lagna Rashi, for all of you. Going to talk about Pisces for this coming week. Pisces. Transit of moon for Pisces in 9th house, 12th of December till 14th of December. Transit of moon in 9th house. Transit of moon in 9th house. When the moon is transit 9th house, this time period, may I say this particular period, you have to work really hard, more hard than usual, in order to achieve your accomplishment or goal. Health need attention. You become susceptible to a lot of health problems regarding stomach or regarding breathing or chest. When the moon is transit in 9th house. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you may also suffer from lack of sleep. Mentally you feel tired, exhausted, become lethargic. When the moon is transit in 9th house, this particular bring along, may I say that you'll perform a lot of religious work, charitable work, spiritual work, and you'll be participating in a lot of charity related work, yes, and you'll create a name and fame through that, yes. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you're also likely to get a fame in society through charity work. When the moon is in 9th house, and may I say that financially can be a tough time. If you're thinking to move your money, start your new business, starting a new venture project, or sort out your inheritance, nothing will work out according to your expectation. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you have to keep a close eye on your friends as well as your enemies. And you'll end up with a lot of arguments with people around you, personally and professionally. And last thing, you need a living conflict on your back. No. Hold on to your respect and honor in society when the moon is transiting in 9th house. By avoiding unnecessary conflict with anybody, mentally you will suffer from anxiety and feel overburdened sometime. And you have to be extra careful regarding your decision or choices, whatever you are making during this phase of time. The moon is transiting in 9th house. Be careful. Transit of moon for Pisces in 10th house, 14th of December till 17th of December. Transit of moon in 10th house. When the moon is transit 10th house, this particular time period will also bring along fulfillment of desire, achievement of goal, attainment of comfort. Material gain, financial gain, if you're planning to start something new, this gives you the time to do so. When the moon is transit 10th house, this particular time period, assure your success in all your undertaking. When the moon is transit in 10th house, this period would also be favorable for you, for your family, generally be very happy and content. It's a good time in your workplace. When the moon is transiting in 10th house, when the moon is transiting in 10th house, you may expect honor, promotion, appreciation at workplace. When the moon is transiting in 10th house, this period will bring along position of authority, accomplishment of your objective at workplace. Your respect in society is going to rise during this phase of time. If you're female, be cautious and avoid any conception related to trouble. This period will see you going through a lot of health issues, male or female health issues. Look after your health and well-being. You could also get a taste of very finest food. The moon is transiting in 10th house. Transit of moon for Pisces in 11th December, 17th of December till 19th of December. Transit of moon in 11th house. Transit of moon in 11th house. When the moon is transit in 11th house, this time period, donate financial gain. When the moon is transit in 11th house, this particular period help you to raise your income and gain riches. When the moon is transit in 11th house, if you are self-employed, you'll be able to see the reward of your hard work. When the moon is transit in 11th house, you may be able to see attain some stock of wealth to this phase of time. When the moon is transit 11th house, this particular brings you joy, happiness, good time with people, companions, friends, family reunion. Getting together with old friend is also likely to happen during this phase of time. The moon is transit in 11th house. Those who are married may expect a personal bliss. If you're eligible bachelor, you find a perfect match during this phase of time. This particular period also brings along opportunity for you to have a delicious food, enjoying comfort at home. Health will be fine. Mentally, you would also feel much more happy and relaxed during this particular time when the moon is transiting 11th house. Transit of moon for Pisces in 12th house, 19th of December to 21st of December. Transit of moon in 12th house. When the moon is transit in 12th house, when the moon is transit 12th house signifies financial loss. When the moon is transit 12th house, this particular period sees your finances going through the rough phase. When the moon is transit 12th house, expenses can be sky high. Take care of your valuable items and assets. When the moon is transit in 12th house, expenses can be sky high and you might be susceptible to losing something valuable, something very precious by cheating, deception, fraud or theft, or you lose something very precious. Yes. Avoid doing anything that will create the biggest financial burden for you, especially when the moon is transiting in the 12th house. At that time, be careful with your undertaking. You may not get the desired result of your investment. When the moon is transit 12th house, health needs attention. Take care of your eyesight. You're susceptible to infection, particularly in this phase of time. Mentally, you become restless and distressed. When the moon is transiting in 12th house, you're likely to develop letharginess, jealousy, negative mentality. When the moon is transiting in 12th house, be careful with your decisions and choices while dealing with people. You become over-impulsive in your behavior during this phase of time. Think before going forward with your plan. You may indulge in doing unjust deed, get carried away with your power or position of authority. When the moon is transit 12th house, on the home front, be careful with your relationship. You may develop unnecessary enmity with the people around you. You may have to take care of yourself, maintaining respect and honor in society, especially when the moon is in the 12th house. You have to be extra careful about your conduct, financial conduct, professional conduct, as well as personal conduct. At the same time, you should not allow third party to interfere in your business. When the moon is transiting 12th house, that time, please. Pisces, in this coming week, you must sort out your Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu, Ketu. Prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, lack of flow of income, lack of professional backing, happiness, peace of mind, health issues. With the help of task, precaution, chanting, you can sort out your plan for the best. You can achieve the best. If you want a complete weekly horoscope report, then do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the full weekly horoscope report, implement the report and achieve your best. Pisces weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you will be able to materialize your plans, visions, imagination. You go through family complications. You come across lots of running around, hassles. Your income can be income resources will be there, but expenditure can be sky high. You do watch your financial transaction. You'll get the friendly support, help and guidance for your rising. There will be improvement in your finances. You'll travel around. You've got to look after your behavior, presentation and dealing with higher authorities. You go through lots of personal, professional fluctuations and complications. Your income can be low, expenditure will be higher than your income. You go through few struggleful situations and scenarios. There will be few different opinions and clashes in your family relationship. There will be rise in family expenditure and sometimes you will be very much tense. Tense linked with recognition, appreciation or rising. Sometimes you're desperate what you've been seeking for, but something is not there, exactly what you've been seeking for. You must be aware of family inheritance conflicts or arguments. You must be aware of any kind of legal conflict and argument. If you're in a joint venture or business partnership, then you've got to be extra careful. Otherwise, you'll end up in a huge row or conflict. You have to be careful. Pisces task of the week. Donate rice, chana dal to temple the langar. Do bury 12 blue flowers in the ground on Friday evening. Do keep kumbh, clay pot, filled with water and cover its mouth with clay coconut. Precaution of the week. Refrain from any foul temper, illusions, confusion, domestic arguments and conflicts. Chanting of the week. Karim bhur bhave swahe, karim tat savitur varnayam, karim bhargo devasya dhimahi, karim dhiyo yana prachodayat karim. More you do it, more you root out your problems and complications. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decisions and choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complications and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website prakashastrologer.com because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.